Alright guys, I'm going to go over one other spot, be a continuation of the last video that I did on when to buy using smart money concepts with the ArtiumPro indicator. And we're going to go over the premium and discount zones. I wanted to make a separate video for this because it is so important whenever you're doing your buy or sales to know which particular spot you're in. You're either going to be in the premium or you're going to be in the discount area. If you don't know what that is, I'm going to show you this right now. So whenever you have an asset and you have a price movement, if it's moving up or moving down, there's basically going to be a 50% line. And in the ArtiumPro SMC indicator, we have the 50% line as this green line. I'm going to show it to you. The top portion above that green line is going to be your premium zone, and below that green line is going to be your discount zone. You want to sell in the premium and you want to buy in the discount. Okay, so you want to buy in the discount and sell in the premium. You're going to sell your buys, but also if you have a sale that you're entering, wanting it to go down, you're going to be selling in the premium and then closing your trade in the discount. Now, if you're just trying out the ArtiumPro SMC indicator, or if you already have it, you go down here to your labels, you'll turn on, and then you have your 50% fib line on. And this is going to be the current price market structure. All right, so here is your 50% line. And if you click on label right here, it will pop up for you. So in that way, if you have any imbalances or anything like that, the line's kind of hard to see. You can actually see with the label on it. So to the top side of this is going to be your premium zone. And below this, it's going to be your discount zone. And it's going to be your main market structure. So it's going to be between this main swing low and this main swing high. This is going to be your trading range currently. And you can see where we're currently at in the trade that we just went over in the last video. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to put it down in the description. But I went over the thought process of when to buy using smart money concepts. So you can see right now we are pretty much maxed out in the premium zone. Now, it is a great area for a sale if you have your risk management in place. Like we said before, it's a 12.5 RR trade. But we are moving up, and we could push all the way up to this line. Now, if this trade doesn't work out, you don't continue, you wait for these setups. So we had this set up, a main change of character, got broke back down to the downside, and we were pushing up towards the top of this premium zone. Because that is the case, and we see these confluences taking place, we can risk this much to gain 12.5 RR on your overall account. If you're not using the 50% line on your fibs for your premium and discount areas, I definitely recommend it. It gives you an overall picture whenever you think of your trades in the premium discount range. I think it's really, really great to have it in your head. Of course, you can use all these other fibs if you want. We got the 23, 38, 78, 61, and the 50. But if you're, just going to use one in particular, I definitely recommend the 50%. You can even, some people like the 62. So there's your 61.8. But I think your chart can get really messy, and you get a lot of stuff going on if you have a lot of this stuff turned on. So me in particular, I just use the 50% line only. Along with all my other confluences, this is the way that I like to see it. So this is going to be how I would use the premium and discount areas at the current price point on Euro USD, where we're currently at. We're pretty much maxed out in the premium zone. And I would take this sell trade to see if we get a rejection here. And your risk right here on what you're wanting, how much you're wanting to do, is completely up to you. But there's always going to be another trade. And if you do your trades with really good risk management, as I've said in like the beginning videos of our channel, I definitely recommend at least a 5. I mean, you can do like a 3 to 5 RR trade. 5 RR trades or above are really nice, especially whenever you hit your take profits. So yeah, like roughly a 12 RR trade is what I like on this particular one. Guys, you could do this, and if it breaks out here, more likely going to stop out no matter where you put it. And the reason is because we sold off below this change character. So in reality, we should be testing this order block and getting rejected, not creating a new higher high right here. So if any higher high gets created, it more than likely will continue up. So that's just kind of what I like here in this particular spot. If this is the first video you've ever seen, leave it a like, hit the subscribe button down below to join our community. Also, you can join our Discord channel. If you're trying out the product, you're going to get an email to join our Discord channel anyway. Welcome to ArtiumPro, and we look forward to seeing you within the community. Hope each and every one of you have a great holiday season with your families, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.